Starting around 27 September 2023, Ethereum by and large is exchanging at $1,611.62 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.24% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very critical. ETH basically has a fundamentally complete market cap of $193,771,700,293, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,685,984,058, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This for the most part makes Ethereum, ETH, by and large positioning at 2 in the digital money market, or so they sort of thought. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum generally be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. Is Ethereum an especially wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Will ETH cost generally outperform its untouched in every way that really matters, high in a significant way? These truly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which truly is genuinely huge. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost especially is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal truly least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to in a real sense be $2,048.41, or so they most certainly thought. Besides, ETH can explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $2,335.71, or so they sort of thought. ETH value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum in every practical sense is estimated to fundamentally be at around a by and large least worth of $1,737.18, exhibiting that will ETH cost essentially outperform its untouched high, or so they truly thought. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $1,974.90, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90, or so they in a real sense thought. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $1,996.84, or so they basically thought. ETH value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is determined to explicitly be at around a kind of least worth of $1,945.35, which by and large is genuinely critical. The Ethereum value worth can sort of arrive at a genuinely limit of $2,150.77, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, in a fundamentally significant way. ETH value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is determined to truly be at around an extremely least worth of $2,004.37, in an exceptionally significant manner. The Ethereum value worth can really arrive at an especially limit of $2,252.61, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum sort of is for the most part anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $2,335.71 and an in every way that really matters, least of $2,048.41 in a quite enormous way. Ethereum sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost really has shown a sort of good increment of 1.18% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which basically is very critical. Ethereum in every practical sense is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which by and large shows that Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum is especially anticipated to basically arrive at an especially normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $2,335.71 and an extremely least of $2,048.41, or so they especially thought. The ETH sort of is down to nearly 0.76% in the kind of most recent 7 days, or so they really thought. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for sort of past beautiful few days. The coin could truly have major areas of strength, for especially however, we don't for the most part imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large momentary in an exceptionally huge manner. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH in every practical sense diminished by 14.659%, taking out an incredible extremely normal amount of $276.83 from its genuinely current worth, showing that Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90 in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be an especially decent for the most part purchase a potential open door for especially fast venture. So will ETH cost by and large outperform its unequaled extremely high in a very significant manner? The 90 days cost change certainly is around 2.80%, and the cost truly circled from a truly least especially normal cost of $1,539.51 to in every practical sense, greatest pretty normal cost of $1,647.19 in the all things considered recent days. Showing how truly is Ethereum a wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which most certainly is very huge. In very most recent 4 months Ethereum explicitly has shown a developing pattern, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we explicitly feel that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, fundamentally further appearance how in most certainly most recent 4 months, Ethereum essentially has shown a developing pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum in every practical sense is expanded from 4 months, which sort of shows that ETH really has a genuinely all-out market cap of $193,771,700,293, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,685,984,058, which is very critical. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin basically is up by 18.09%, with the kind of greatest certainly normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around $1,207.02, and the kind of least most certainly normal cost of in every practical sense was around $1,000.